I'm going to show you how to navigate the Inflektion dashboard from the affiliate side. Let's get into it. We start off by logging into your program. And here from the dashboard, we can get a quick look at the program details are, what our earnings are for, conversion, clicks, whatever you're looking for. Moving down the line, you can get your links and promotions from this. You can grab your base URL. Usually it's going to be the brand name URL and whatever name you choose. And you can choose to add your sub ID information here as well. Some programs choose to have two-tier links, so that's available if you're recruiting partners. Moving down, you're going to find the marketing resources, and this is where you'll get all the images that you need, all the videos, if they have them, email swipes that you can quickly copy, paste, and your affiliate link is automatically going to be inserted into this. Social media posts, if they have them available, that you can grab. Next up is your payment information. In the payment history tab, you can see what kind of commission you've earned over time, how you were paid, and in the details, you can make your choice of what kind of platform you want to utilize for your payment. If you want to try out the product for yourself, go to the product request. Now, this is only on demand. Your affiliate manager has to give you authorization to this, but it's super simple once you do have authorization. You could put your shipping information, address. Adding this, you will automatically send a request to their team so that they can fulfill that as quickly as possible. Next, you go down into the opportunity section, and this is where you can see other Inflektion programs that are on the platform that you qualify to join. In the customization tab, you have the option to adjust your own landing page. You can change your name, your title, enter in a quote that you want about the product and tell people what you like about it. There are fields that are going to be more customizable than others, but the basis of this is you add your own photo, bring it to life, and then when you save this information, you're going to go back to your links and the page will automatically be adjusted with your own branding. So whatever your offer is going to be up at the top. You'll have your own quote and your picture. This is going to help increase conversion rates. Oftentimes you can choose your own favorite products, but it just depends on what the brand is looking to do with customizations. Moving on into the advanced stats here, you can find detailed reports of date range comparing to a different range. Everything you could ask for in a report can be done here. If you need help, ask your affiliate manager. For those advanced affiliates out there, the postback feature is here where you can add any macro that you would like to get more dynamic tracking. Lastly, FAQ section is here to help you. You can get a hold of your affiliate manager here if you don't have their contact information, and you can get a hold of partner support as well.